Time to celebrate some Thursday birthdays here in the 4 states, and we begin in Thayer with Colvin Whitley, celebrating birthday number 13. A very, very happy birthday to you today, Colvin.
And Tavin Dewey celebrating birthday number 18 this year in Chanute. Happy birthday, Tavin.
And we've got Madeline Bishop over in Pittsburgh. Golden birthday was officially yesterday as Madeline is celebrating birthday number 19. Happy birthday.
All right, and Heston Kavanaugh turning 21 years old this year, and Heston is celebrating in Girard.
And we've got Samantha Daniels in Mound Valley celebrating birthday number 29 this year. Samantha, very happy birthday. What an amazing looking cake you've got there.
All right, and Rob Friggery celebrating birthday number 70 this year in Girard. Here is Rob pictured at a basketball game with his granddaughter, Hannah. Happy birthday, Rob.
And our birthday list continues with Natasha Alexander celebrating a birthday, as well as Cammie Borland celebrating birthday number 29 in Loma Linda. And Jeff and Susan Cunningham celebrating their 43rd wedding anniversary in Altamont. A very happy anniversary and birthday to all of you. And I would be set on fire if I did not mention that our oldest, Trinity, is celebrating birthday number 11 today.
Woo!
All right, she goes to Irving. I know she's taking some cookies to her class. So if you're in Trinity's class and you're watching this morning, get ready for some cookies today. Now, if you've got a birthday or anniversary you want to send to us, because we know you do, Tanya's going to tell you what you do to do that.
All you have to do is send your pictures and birthday names to birthdays with an S at KOAMTV.com. Make sure you include the day of the birthday, and if you would like to have it air on Monday or Friday, if it's over the weekend, of course. And birthdays at KOAMNewsNow.com.
I was just about to run all over your magic there, but we also want you to go to our website, check out the latest news, weather, and sports, and also sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. You get some great deals from local businesses. You also get a cool little birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. All you need to do is sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club at KOAMNewsNow.com.